Good morning, traders. Just did bought Facebook out VWAP on the V-shaped pattern where where old resistance became new support, you guys. This is the strategy I tell you guys all the time about, you guys. If you guys watched my last video, how to dip buy, and a lot of my live trades, you'll see where a lot of time where I'll wait for the test where it'll break out, and then we'll wait for that spot to go back where old resistance broke out to test if it'll hold, and it held, and a lot of buyers came back in. All the shorts that thought it was going to go down started after covering, especially right here, you guys, on this pullback. Let me show you right here, right there. Where'd it go? Hold on. Let me make it bigger real fast. Especially you guys see this right here on this pullback right here where you see the the lower shadow where it held VWAP, almost cracked it, but the buyers came in, and guess what else I always talk about, you guys? What we always talk about, volume. Strong green volume came in, and that's when the V-shaped pattern took place, you guys. And that's how you guys dip buy, where old resistance becomes new support, and it's basically buying a breakout, but I call it a dip buy because you're buying the dip of the breakout. You guys get it? So it's trying to break out, finally broke out, right? I did take a little trade earlier. I made like $100 on this little breakout, but then I got out because it could easily be a fake out. But when it came back down here to test, you guys, jump right back in and ride this thing up. Made the little trend line. Okay, I was like, okay, just chill out, and we're gonna follow the trend till the end. The problem is we have resistance right here, so we're trying to get another breakout right here. So what I'm waiting for is to see if there's breakout buyers that are gonna come. So how are we gonna know that? By watching the volume, you guys, and times and sales, and to see a newer high. We want to see big size on the times and sales in the green. We want to see big strong volume come in, and we want to see this breakout hold with new highs that keep coming in. I have a limit order right here to sell at 221.20, I believe. So we're gonna give it a few minutes, you guys, and we're gonna watch times and sales and the volume and chill out. Here's a test, hopefully a test at 220 real soon. Hopefully we have some breakout buyers coming in. Now this is what I was just talking about, you guys. See this? This is old resistance right here, right? It finally broke out right now. Right now, a lot of shorts are going to be like, okay, this is old resistance. It might not break out. They're going to attack. So I'm going to watch to see if old resistance right here, if the shorts are successful, if my trend line breaks, or if they hold it up. So we're going to try to have 100 shares on the market just in case. Finger on the trigger. Right now, I'm not seeing too many buyers coming in yet. It's below the 90 MA still. We're getting a test of the trend line right now. Let's see what happens. I always talk about how you guys really want to be in reactive mode more than like predictive mode. Let's see if this holds up, you guys, or if this is still going to be resistance. We need bidders to step it up past 75. And we need these guys to take it up past like 70, 77, 78, 79, 80. Hopefully get another higher high on the day. So right now to get a higher high, we're going to have to break this part right here. Facebook likes to follow the market, so we're going to keep an eye on the markets, you guys. So how I watch the market is by looking at the SPY. I just look at it, make sure it's still in the green. but I know like where it's at, where the breakout points are. See, you guys see how this is like almost like a breakout pattern, just like Facebook. So Facebook's kind of following it. So 3 out of 4 stocks follow the market. So you want to always just like back and forth, or if you have another screen or anything. Let's see, you see this thing's just like doing like this SPY. I'm going to cancel this limit order, you guys, because it looks like it's not going to get there right now. And I don't want to be in this trade forever today. So I'm going to give it a second to see what happens at the 60 area. Okay, they're trying to hold the 60 right now. There's a couple hidden buyers at the 60. Let's see if they're successful or not. I want to see. I really am looking for hidden sellers right now on the level 2. I don't see too many right now. Right now I got this guy right here, 3,800 shares. He might have hidden size. Got to watch him real fast. So we want to see if there's big size that take him out. Yep, they took him out, you guys. Gonna take off 100 shares just in case this thing tests the 90 EMA and fails, you guys. Just sold 100 shares. Remember what our number one thing is, you guys? Focus on risk, no matter what. Offense and defense. Defense and offense. It's not just only offense. Sometimes, yeah, you give some back here and there, but it's always about the long run. And you focus on risk and lasting for the long run. You got to tell yourself, like, I'm going to be a trader 10 years from now. So think about the long run, you guys. I know I have some big trades here and there, but it's usually like days like these that I have 300, 400, 500, sometimes 1,000. There's big days here and there, but usually it's focused on, just like baseball terms, focus on like singles, not home runs. Here we go. We're going to hopefully test the 220 coming up. This is what we just talked about, you guys. Breakout, fake out, right here. This is where it broke out, came back to test, and now hopefully it's going to become new resistance. Now we're going to see if we're going to get above the... I really want to see to get above this 220.94 and break out through 221. Because if we can get through 221, there's going to be some shorts underwater and some stop losses of theirs that are going to start going off. So they're going to try to keep it below there, obviously. So hopefully I see some bulls coming in here. And this is going to be like a little bear trap for them. The market's still in the green. Okay. Let's check out a 5-minute. Just like to look at different charts. See if, like, sometimes you'll see a pattern on one chart that you don't see on another chart. So just like to look around. This is the hourly chart, you guys, right here. This is where I'm in a shorter time frame trade. The daily's still on a breakout. Daily's definitely on a breakout. Let's see how the 10-day 30 minutes looking. Still looking okay. So yeah, really nice charts all around. Just trying to have patience. Really nice charts. Now let's see if other people see that what I see. This is in trading, you guys want to see like, okay, like what are the pros gonna see? They're gonna see a lot of pros, a lot of big money are gonna see those charts. So you want people to see what you see. So I see a breakout, nice breakout formation, especially above 220. I seen it, and then hopefully above here, above 221 will be a decent breakout if we don't have too much supply up there. And by knowing how much supply you guys will see it test. If it could easily get through there with not a lot of size right here, that means without not a lot of size in the red, that means there's not too much supply. But they could be waiting too, like in a different area. So we're gonna keep an eye on that. 100 shares off Facebook. Might add at the break of 221. If it breaks 221, you guys. Really want to see size. Don't want to add into a fake out. Really want to see continuation with size. So right now we're going to focus on size. And volume, you guys. Excuse me. A few bulls trying to hold it up. There we go. That's why I tell you guys, lock it in, lock it in, lock it in. And if you want to, like, if you see a breakout, or you can easily get back in. It's always better to lock in the profits and get back in again, or lock in some of them, just in case, you guys. A lot of times stocks go up and then they go back down, and that'll piss you off more than just like going down. Like when you see yourself up a few hundred, and then a few minutes later you're down like a few hundred, you're like, damn, why didn't I lock it in? Here we go. Hopefully we get a break right here. If we get a newer high, I want to see if it holds. I want to see if it holds with size, you guys. Remember, with size. Here we go. Here's the breakout point, 9 EMA below us. We have a little size so far, not that much. So far, I don't see too many buyers coming in with me. We'll give it a minute to see if they're waiting for the breakout point. A lot of buyers wait for the breakout to buy the breakout, you guys. Hopefully we have some short stop losses right here. We'll trigger some momentum. We wanted to see this thing speed up too with size. So we're gonna watch the tape, you guys, right now. I don't really want to see no transactions going through below the 80 really right now. Testing the breakout point again. Could be a pivot point, but to me it looks like a little decent breakout point. Let's see. Volume will help us out if it comes in. We really need volume, like, to go above like this area, like 100 million, 100,000. So hopefully cracks this line right here. This is okay, like if it cracks above 50 million or something, but I want really strong volume. I want to see a lot of people buy that breakout. Or cover, a lot of shorts cover and buy breakouts. So right now, 5-minute chart looking okay. The reason why I put the 5-minute up is just to allow us a little more patience and to get a little clearer picture on the breakout point. Here we go. Here's the bidders at 90 again. Not that much bidders though. I just see one guy with hidden size, so you'll see him pop out with 0, you guys, here and there trying to hold it up. Could be a little reversal right here. Let's see. We need a newer high on the day right now. Let's see if this trend holds up right now. Let's see if that holds. This should be new support right here, you guys. Here we go. Here's the dump. 75 should hold. This is our new support area. Testing. Testing, 1, 2, 3, testing, Facebook. Let's make some money, Facebook. This is how you guys make money off Facebook, you guys. This is how you make a little bread off Facebook. There you go. Come on. Let's stay above the 75 here, you guys. Why am I still holding, Mark? Because I only have 100 shares left and the bidders are still above 75. I'm just waiting on a little volume to see if they break the 221 area. Just trying to have a little patience for it. Might possible breakout right here, possible squeeze. I see it's still trying to consolidate, still trying to hold this support on the 5-minute. Lower shadow on the 5-minute right here. So we're gonna have a little patience. Really need buyers though to step it up so I could add probably 100 shares on for the breakout of 221. If it breaks out. Markets are still in the green. I want to see how the SPY chart looks. Still looks like almost like the Facebook chart. I want to show you guys something real fast. SPY and Facebook, right? I could keep them next together, but I want to show you guys how almost they have like the same. Let me get rid of this times and sales shit. Almost, if you look at it, it's not perfect like exactly. That's a 5-minute. This is a 5-minute. But it's almost the same pattern. This is a little like shakier right here, but it's almost the same pattern where we had to test to try a little breakout, and then they held support right here. And then we're kind of tested, and it came back down, and it held where it broke out earlier, and then it started squeezing. So not really an exact match, but 3 out of 4 stocks found the market, you guys, especially big stocks like Facebook and stuff. So let's see. Hopefully we get a breakout so far. We just got a new higher high. Just got a new higher high. Did we? Yes, we did. Let's see if it tests the 221 area. That's good that we got a higher high, you guys. That's a good sign. The bad sign is that it didn't break 221. We really need to break that 221 to go anywhere. You need to break it and hold it. Stay above it. Want to see like the next 1-minute candle like form and stay above 221. Excuse me. Still have some supply up there, you guys, at 221. Just trying to wait for confirmation. We have some big size trying to hold it up, but we have a lot of sellers trying to sell this area at resistance. I want to see how it reacts right here, if there's going to be a lot of dumps coming in, or if they're going to try to hold it above 75 still. $70-75 area should become new support if they try to hold it above it. It's on an uptrend right now. Green day, market's in the green. Some buyers. Bad thing is we don't have that much buyers on the volume, and we have some supply at 221. You always want to see it from both sides, you guys. You do not want to be too biased. Just see things from your side of view, just so you can feel better. You want to be like, okay, why shouldn't I be in this, and why should I be in this? The good side and the bad side. Okay. Here we go. Here's the 220, you guys. Testing again. Let's see if bidders step it up. There's that zero guy. Market makers on at 220.94, trying to get a higher high right here. I just need to ask to go above 90, actually 221 really. with no size. Let's go. Here we go. Adding 100 shares. Just adding a little bit, you guys, because I'm just playing it safe. Just adding a little bit on the breakout. Hopefully we get some momentum coming in. Taking off 50 shares right there, just locking in a little bit, you guys. Locking it in. Don't want to be too greedy today. Just want to lock it in. See a little supply right there. Let's see if we could break the 221. There we go. The 25-cent area. Let's get another higher high right here. I want to see the 221 really hold right here. We want 221 to become new support. We got more supply, a lot of supply right there. Wow. A lot of supply right there, you guys. Volume's not looking good so far. We want to stay above the 9 right here and above this new trend right here. This little trend line right here. Really want to kind of stay above that. Trying to get a test of the 221.50 area on the next, hopefully, 5-minute candle. Alert just went off on Bed Bath & Beyond, BBBY. They're trying to eat it up right there. Got it below the 9. Let's see if they hold it. Let's see if bulls hold this little area. A little flag forming on the 1 minute. Let's see. Let's see if it fails or if it'll be a nice flag. Need volume coming on the flag. See that little drop, you guys? See that little crash? Right now, I just want to see if the 221 holds. Make sure there's no bad news or nothing. Got some buyers right there. Some did buyers. The thing I don't like is the flag failed, the little flag failed. but it's a 1 minute chart, so I still want to give it a little time. It's still forming on the 3 minute. Just don't like that, how it just fell right there. I don't like that right there. That's a lot of supply. Did you guys see all that supply again? They try to take it down. Just broke our trend also. Want to see if 221 is going to become new resistance, or if they could just easily get up back above it real fast. It's holding our risk so far. It's holding our support, our little support where all the previous resistance broke out. So far it's holding. Let's see if they hold it up or not. Some supply at 221. Let's see. We need bidders to get above there. We just have some cheaper offers at 99. I want to see if my trend lines aren't accurate. A good trend line is 3 points, you guys. Like 3 touches of the bottom of the candle. I just try to like kind of guess it a little bit. It's like 1, 2, 3, and then I do this, and then I just kind of extend it to the right to see if it holds. Then there'll be like little trends in this. Like right now, I could see this thing having one of these patterns. One of these patterns where it's kind of still on a flag and in a trend, like so it's still kind of in a breakout point. Still kind of in a breakout point. The bigger chart, you guys, which is always a stronger chart, like the daily is really strong. I know you guys to see a lot of lines, but the daily is in a really strong uptrend. So we really don't want to go against the trend. Maybe they have quick pullbacks here and there, but it's still on an uptrend. But they could still easily take it back down, so we're going to watch it. The thing is, Friday, like the market gave some back at the end of the day, and could this happen like Friday where it could turn like red again? So we're going to see what's up. We don't want a continuation from Friday, basically. So hopefully we turn things around today and keep breaking out. I need a higher high actually over this area, you guys, over the 29 cents right here. It's just really a lot of supply. The thing with those shorts who came up there and shorted on this crack right here, if we get above there, they're gonna be underwater. All these shorts that came in and crack and shorted this area right here. All the shorts that took advantage of this, if we get above here, they'll be back underwater. All that big size that came in that you guys see, so a lot of them will be underwater if it gets above here. So this will start spiking up hopefully quickly if we get above there. If all those big size start covering, but they could be adding, like they could add right here. because they could be like, okay, let's try to keep it below our safety right here. Hopefully patience goes in our favor today. We'll see. We just got above the 9. Let's see if they push it above there now. This is the little squeeze area I was just telling you guys about. If they don't try to keep it below there, hopefully we get a squeeze again. Straight through 221.29 area. This is where some momentum and volume could come in right here, you guys. So keep an eye really close. Hopefully we get some big size on the times and sales in the green with some speed coming in. So we can take advantage of this little quick squeeze, you guys. Some smart traders, like if I had a lot of size, I would be taking off some size right here, but I only have 150 shares left, so I'm going to try to be a little patient. But if you guys have a lot of size right here, it would be smart to take off a little bit right here to lock it in, because this is like a testing point, and just to lock it in. It looks like to me like it's still on the uptrend, and we can still get a breakout, test the 50 area, possibly even 222 soon if we get up there, if it squeezes hard. But let's see if we have continuation with some good buyers coming in. The level 2 doesn't look too good. The charts look good. The volume looks good. The 90 EMA looks good. The pattern looks good. Level 2 looks okay right now. Times and sales looks okay right now. We need to speed it up. We need bigger size on this side. And we need bigger size on guys on the sidelines right here. There's guys on the sidelines, you guys, just waiting, you know what I mean? So a lot of them don't have an order on the level 2, so they'll see it like get past a certain area and just smack the buy button or smack the market or put their order in. So if they don't see it get above here, they won't buy. So we need it to come above there. Why? So they could buy some breakout buyers and some short stop losses could go off and possibly squeeze. But if there's going to be a lot of supply right here, it's not going to squeeze. But let's see, you guys. Here we go. Got through them. Wow, quick test of 449. That was too quick, you guys. I couldn't even press the button. See how quick it squeezed? That's just a few stop losses going off. But we didn't have buyers on the follow through so far. Got an ugly candle right there. Ugly candle. But that's how fast this thing could squeeze. Come on, Facebook. Got a lot of supply right there. See the volume, you guys? All that supply right there. Let's see if we can get above the 221.49 area right now. That's going to be our new breakout point because there was a lot of supply all the way up to the area. Let's see if there's supply past that area. Sorry about that, you guys. This phone keeps going off. I gotta turn this off when I'm in a trade. Here we go, above the 9. Let's see if we can get above the 49 area. Need a quick squeeze above the 49.50 area. All that supply, you guys. The shorts are trying to keep it below there. Let me put this phone on silent. Okay. Let's see. 49 is the breakout point, you guys. 49. 49, we're going to have a lot of them underwater. Watching the volume. We need big green volume bars. That'll be a good sign, you guys. Look at the size. Look at the algos kicking in. We want big size, you guys. We don't even care about all this noise right now. This is just noise. Okay, 40 testing. Bidders are not coming in. Levels on the buyers too. So right now I'm depending on a little stop losses, and hopefully we have some hidden size right there. 49 is our breakout. We need volume to come back in again right there. 49 is our breakout point. Here we go. Almost testing 49. 50. New high. So far fake out. So far faking out. Let's see if the 9 holds up. Where's the volume at? Watch the volume. We need the volume to come in. No volume. We don't have that many buyers so far, you guys. We do not have that many buyers. I just want to give it a second to see if it gets above there, you guys. Waiting on the volume. They should be coming. They should be coming. They should be coming. Speed it up. Speed it up, you guys. Come on. Ya Allah, come on. Here come the bidders. Hopefully they hold it above the 49 area. We got a few shorts underwater right here. They're going to try to add on. They're going to try to add it back on right here. One market maker trying to hold it above the 40 area. On the NASDAQ bid. NASDAQ and EDGX fighting right now. Just killed it. Just took it down. Just took it down. Just took it down. I'm going to take off 50 shares just to be safe. Just to play it safe, you guys. I'm going to take off 50 shares. I just seen a lot of supply right there. I think it's going to go back up still and get above there. But just to be safe, I'm just going to lock in that 50 shares. I should have locked it in up top, but I thought we were going to have continuation, you guys. But on the safe side, lock in that money. Put your money in your pocket. Take that money off the table. Don't let them take it. Just put it in your pocket. So now, like, they just have a little more money on the table. We took most of it off. Now we're back to 100 shares. Right now they have the 9 above them, so we want to get above the 9, and we want to get above 53 for the breakout point. No volume coming back. No bidders above 50 so far. Upper shadow on the candle. Volume not getting to our point where we want it to get to. Big size trying to keep it down, you guys. Let's see if they do. I don't think they're gonna keep it down. I think they're gonna cover. Momentum still going in our way. They have some size though, and the 9 EMA. Bam. Added back my 100 that I took off earlier, you guys. Just played it safe on that one. Took it off just in case it kept crashing down, and added it back up when they tested it and couldn't get it below there. Taking off 50 shares right there just to lock it in. Taking off 50 shares. What we talk about, you guys, get your money in your pocket. Take it just in case. Gonna have another 50 right here just in case it doesn't hold above the 50 area. Gonna give it a couple minutes to break the 220. Really want the 221.75 area to break. Volume almost got to our point, you guys. Almost. We need a bigger one. We need good volume, like up to here now. Need that 70 area to break, 75-cent area. Remember, you guys, sometimes every 25 cents is natural resistance in the market. Every 50 cents, every dollar point, there's going to be a little natural resistance. That's why we like to watch it closely and see how it reacts to that in that area. We're going to take off another 50 shares, locking it in. Always selling to strength, you guys. 100 shares left in the market, 100 shares left.